Hello everybody, Nathaniel from RC Insight here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Whoop MG as well as a CloudKnit band that I purchased alongside it. Now, I have had the Whoop 5.0, which you can see on my wrist here, for 3 or 4 months now, but with the recent release of HealthSpan on 4.0, there's really nothing on the 5.0 that you don't get on the 4.0. All the real hardware upgrades seem to be on the MG model. So let's just get straight into this unboxing. These are really simple. They came in obviously a shipped box, a cardboard box, but when you open up the cardboard box, you've just got both of them in these little sleeves of plastic, the band and the device. So we do this. I got the CloudKnit band because I had gotten the CloudKnit band previously for my 4.0 and I absolutely loved it. And when the 5.0 came out, CloudKnit bands weren't available, so I'm just left with this basic super knit band, and I really don't like it nearly as much. The CloudKnit band feels great, but we'll push that to the side for now and open up the MG. Now, to open this up, nice and simple, we've just got a little peel here. Pull that off, and like so. This is just gonna fold open. Super, super simple, and in here is our nicely packaged Whoop MG. Basically identical packaging to the 5.0. Now, as I open this up, I will say if you are not a Whoop member and you're thinking of joining, you can use my referral code in the description down below, and that will give you a 1-month free trial for Whoop, as well as help support me as a creator. So if you are watching this unboxing and you are on the fence about Whoop, use that link. You can get a 1-month free trial. Support me as a creator as well. It would be greatly appreciated. Now, back to this unboxing here. Let's pull the Whoop MG out. Like I said, this is really almost the exact same packaging that we got with the 5.0. Fits nicely in this recyclable box. I love the way it's packaged. Super simple, super easy. We get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable here, which I won't use because I'll just use my regular USB-C cable. That's so much long. I mean, this is so short. It's not exactly practical, but I guess they throw in the obligatory cable, so nice. Obviously, that new wireless power pack, which I already have one of because I have the 5.0, but exact same power pack. And then the MG itself, which, well, it's like the 5.0, but obviously it has the different clasp here, because it needs to have the metal clasp to be able to take the EKG reading, and you can see the little, I don't know what you would call them, like dimples, I guess, or grooves on the side there, and that's how you actually take the EKG reading. But otherwise, yeah, this is the device. Very simple stuff. Now, if I slide this away for a second and open up this MG CloudKnit band, this is what I'm really excited for because these CloudKnit bands feel so much nicer. Again, just a nice simple tear strip there, and we once again have the very, very simple, easy packaging. The lid just pops off. The band is sitting nice and flat inside. Just like that, nothing more to it. Again, recyclable, super compact, fits in there perfectly. I love it when there's very little waste. And here's my CloudKnit band. It's soft, it's stretchy. I love the pattern. That is really it for this unboxing. Super simple. I've got the 5.0, or I guess, sorry, not the 5.0, the MG, as well as a charging cable and the wireless power pack. And I've got this beautiful CloudKnit band. But that's your unboxing. Great presentation, really simple packaging, easy to open, no real waste involved, recyclable packaging, and just the items that you need included. So I really do like Whoop's packaging and presentation. I think they do a great job with that. Like I said, this is basically the identical experience to the 5.0. So whether you're getting an MG or a 5.0, you're gonna have the same unboxing experience. I'm gonna leave this here. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one.